Hey gang, we're getting ready to go on our initial road test in a 1969 Charger. We're just finishing. This is kind of customized for the gentleman as a homage to his father and his uncle. This kind of how they envisioned this car to be. I love the 10-inch wheels on the back. That is badass. Look at that deep dish. That is a 295/50, in case you guys are wondering what size. 295/50. I think I left it in reverse with the key on too. Doug is getting ready to move it out with the Stringo, and then we're going to go for a road test. Let's open that thing up and take a look inside so you can see what she looks like. So, nice. Chargers are just a luxurious car compared to most of them. Look at that beautiful seat setup. The headrests have been back ordered forever. We're waiting for those to show up. And there's our dome lights. Doug, you can go ahead and load up. Aren't you kind of excited about everything, Dougie?
Me? I don't think it'll run.
Okay, oh, it'll run. You'll need keys, but it'll run. This is our Stringo car mover. We just like to use this inside because it's such tight quarters, and these things will turn on a dime. We can see better than if you're inside the car trying to navigate your way out.
Tight quarters.
Coming up on some tight quarters, yes sir. See down there, we got a whirly jig close in the way, but a little bit of room. We got a couple of doors. I'll watch the doors. You got about a foot between the doors and fenders. By the way, guys, these are my doors. Finally getting painted for my burnt orange Charger tribute car. You're good over here by a foot. And you're good over there by a foot. So you got it. Woo, look at that come to life out in the sun. Oh my, my. Look at that little beauty. So we got a 295/50 15 on the back and a 245/60 15 on the front. Take a look at the butt of this thing. Like I said, hey Doug, this is why we take initial drives. For some reason we've got parking lights on. I wonder if you accidentally knocked off the wire to the backup lights, the neutral safety. Well, we'll find out, because right now it's in low and the backup lights are on. Yeah, well, we'll figure it out. Just take a peek. He did some custom stuff under here, which I think is really tasteful. Basically, it's that pulley kit. The March pulleys. I think that's a nice looking setup. Again, stuff his dad wanted to do and his uncle wanted to do, and it's a tribute to him, to them. Be Cool hooked us up with the radiator and the fan. Just super cool. Oh, look at that. There's our restored date-coated wiper motor, power disc brakes. We're running an Edelbrock Performer 750 on there. Just a good maintenance-free little carburetor. He can always play with the performance later if he wants to. I like the little Performers because they seem to start every time and run and do their job. So, Dougie, you want to fire that thing up so we can get a video of it, and we'll take it for a test drive. Pump the poo-poo out of it.
What?
Well, it hasn't ran in 2 or 3 days, so pump it. It's not electronic fuel injection.
Pump it up.
Pump it. Pump it up. Pump up the jam. Whee! Here we go. Nice. Look at that. Listen to that. Nothing like it in the world, folks. Nothing like it in the world. Old school American muscle. Look how We are ready for a road test. All right, guys, we are in the car. There's our tick-tock tack. Gauges. Cousin Dougie acting a fool.
Acting a fool. Seat won't go back far enough.
It's the way they're built.
Well, the roof won't go up high
Well, they
enough.
called Walter Chrysler. He might be interested in hearing your silliness. All right, let's put this bad boy in gear and see what we got. We put a 2500 stall converter in it because we put a Mother Thumper cam. I think we put the Mother Thumper in this, didn't we? Or is this just a 272? I can't remember. I think it is the Mother.
Slept since then.
Hey, she's driving nice so far. Look at this. For an initial drive, not bad. Just getting started out. Idling good, right, Doug?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we got to hope and pray that the transmission shifts right. If not, a lot of times we have to adjust the linkage, the kick-down linkage as well. Oh, that's a good shift. That's wonderful. Speedo's working. Hey, that isn't bad. Look at that.
Nicest one yet.
Yeah, this is solid. Wow. I think I like it. Yeah, that's a good feel. Open her up a little bit. Wonderful. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's gonna love this.
Yes.
God, what a nice driver. I got a little hesitation off idle, but yeah, it's just now opening the thermostat. Okay, good. Very nice. Oh, that is lovely. All right. Ship it.
Ship it.
As soon as we do a final buff and install the hood depression decals, we'll do a one-time over fluid level, torque the wheels one more time. And by golly, I think we're gonna have it. Look at that. Ready to get it on, Dougie?
I'm ready.
Let's get it on.
More ready.
Woo! Hello, ladies. Boy, that feels good.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it. What you ain't got, Dougie?
This is awesome.
You old fool.
I like this one.
What are you, gray, you old fool?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, look at that guy in the mirror. Holy cow, he's got problems too. Woo! Well, I think we did good, buddy. I think we made it. See if that radio works. Oh, we don't have the antenna on. Look, there's no antenna on them. AM won't work without an antenna, folks. Oh, well, what are you going to do? Oh, that feels good. Sweet. All right, Cutting Day. Say goodnight.
Good night.
See you guys. Hello Ghouls, Mark Warman here, the Ice Tray from Graveyard Carz. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We have fantastic stuff coming up, and some of it you've never seen before. I gotta go insult people. Hey Alice!